Hello children, welcome back to our channel Nagesh Karazhi Orchid School. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you SST subject for grade 4th. Okay, now in the previous episode I have taught you the lesson number 6, that is Southern Plateau. Okay, just we'll do a revision tab. Okay, revision what we have did in this Southern Plateau, what are they, we have seen it. Now just we go through it once again. Okay, short list. Life in the Southern Plateau, what we are going to see in this life of the Southern Plateau, which are the states are there, how is the what are the states are there, what is the life, dress, and then traditional dress, and what are the festivals they celebrate, we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, first Southern Plateau region is a vast area, that is big. Okay, now the climate, when we are talking about the climate and the soil, it is different from place to place. Okay, now it is the climate is how it is different from place to place. It is not same in the when we are talking about the northern mountains. How is the climate? Climate will be very cold. When coming to the point of Southern Plateau downside, how is the climate? It is hot. Correct. It is moderate. So it is different from the place to place. It is different. It is soil also different. There in the northern mountains, the soil is, the land is very fertile, whereas in down part the climate and the soil is different. Now, what is the region it experiences? It experiences heavy rainfall. Okay, the climate is moderate. Just now we have discussed, and what is it is neither too hot, neither too cold. Now, state. Here Maharashtra already we have discussed, just a recall. It is located at where? Northwestern part, and capital is Mumbai. And what is the industrial place? Trade and industries are there. What is a film production in India? Mumbai, when we say this word Mumbai, film production. This is the image. And what are the important cities are there? Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Solapur are the important cities. Now what are they? Rivers. Rivers are Godavari river, Krishna river are the important rivers in the state. Now what is the largest producer? Cotton and sugarcane. What else rather than this is the largest producer of cotton, and second is the sugarcane. What else they grow? Like fruits I told you, like grapes, bananas, oranges. Very good. So this is a sugarcane example, this is a cotton example, and what else? Just now we have the grapes, oranges and bananas. And when we say oranges, correct, when we say juicy oranges, which is famous, will come from Nagpur. See, bananas, oranges, unripe bananas are there, and those are the grapes. The textile, what else Maharashtra grown here? Textiles are dresses, okay, threads are there, all different type of fabrics are there, automobiles, parts of vehicles, electronic things are there, are the important industries in the Maharashtra. What kind of a dance? Okay, Tamasha is a kind of a dance plus drama mixing is very popular in the state. So this is an image of Tamasha. And what is the traditional dress of men are dhoti, kurta with a Gandhi topi. And what women wear? Saris, that is Navari sari. So this is an, see this, can you see this? Men, they are wearing like dhoti, kurta with an oval shape on their head. It is having a Gandhi topi. So now this is a woman's sari, traditional sari, and what they speak language, that is Marathi. We all know only this is a Marathas, they speak Marathi language. Rather than different language they speak Hindi, speak English, all other languages are there, but it is a common language is Marathi. And most popular festival, we all celebrate different type of festival. Ugadi will celebrate, correct, Diwali are there. So different festivals we all celebrate, but what is the most popular festival? Ganesh Chaturthi. This is one of the festival. Now part when we are talking about the Karnataka, what is this Karnataka? It is Bangalore. Bangalore is known as a garden city. What is here? Where it is south part lies a Karnataka. Its capital is Bangalore, is also called as a garden city. See, it is a beautiful garden. What are the important cities are there? Like Mysore, Hubli and Dharwada are the important cities of Karnataka, and Krishna rivers. Okay, Krishna river, Kaveri river are the two important rivers in the state. And now what is leading? Okay, what they produce here? The leading producer is coffee, teak and sandalwood are its well-known forest products. Yes, as we all know that our southern plateau, it is full of forest, correct, hilly region, as n number of forests are there. So what they produce here in Karnataka, coffee, teak and sandalwood. It is the biggest software development. It is also known as software development center in India. So in the morning coffee, you all drink coffee, no? Yes, that all coffee beans, they are, it is the largest producer. See, this is a teak, it's a teak tree from where it's a teak type of a kind of wood. Okay, it is a type of wood. Now furniture, when we see this, different kinds of furnitures are there, different type of wood materials are there. So teak is a very famous. Okay, teak, plywood, we will say no, this is a teak tree and we having a this of, it is very did after this. Now sandalwood, when we say sandal, chandan, sandal, so it is very much precious. In Karnataka it is very much famous. After this, these are the small pieces of the sandalwood. From sandal, what type of they do? What they prepare from it? Handmade things are there, architecture, arts are there. See, I will show you this. Can you see this? Gods. Can you see this? Ganapati is there. The different type of gods are there where they have made with their hand. From which? Sandalwood. From sandalwood they prepared here. Gautama Buddha. These are there. Ganapati is there. Here elephant. Can you see this? All they have prepared from the sandalwood. So it is very much precious. It is very costly. And some other important industries in Karnataka are, what else important industries are there? Like aeroplane, watches, electronic goods and silk. What else it is important industries are there? Like aeroplane parts they will made, they manufacture. Watches, watches also they prepare. They are having industries like electronic things which run on lights. Okay, electronic goods and silk. Saris, when we talking about silk, it comes all under silk. Okay, most of the gold mined in India comes from the Kolar gold mines. Yes, when we say gold, ornament, jewelry, gold things, or where it comes in Karnataka, where we having a Kolar gold mines under the earth. It will be mined and I will afterward that gold will be taken out. Okay, it is in Karnataka. You want to see this? Yes. Can you see this? Our land, such a big land which is dug. Okay, it is dug with, see, can you see which a big hole, and can you see here, here yellowish color. Yes, when we see this gold ring, gold ornaments, gold earrings, what is the color of it? Yes, it is yellowish color, correct? So can you see this under the earth? See, yellow color, this is only the gold. Okay, this is all our mud is there. So under this they will do refining it, after we will get a gold. Okay, this is a Kolar gold mine in Karnataka. It is a gold land. Now language. Okay, now what type of language they speak in Karnataka? It is Kannada. Kannada language. Okay, now what type of dress they wear? The dress, the men mostly wear lungis and shirt. Okay, when we say this is a traditional dress, when teacher is telling nowadays it is advanced, correct? Can you see lungis nowadays the men wear? Rarely. At villages go and see, since nowadays also people wear lungis and shirt. Now everybody wears t-shirt, pants everywhere, but it is a traditional in villages. Can you see this? And this is a example. This is a lungi and a shirt, commonly they will wear it. Women's wear saris, you all know it. Festival, what type of festival they celebrate here? Dasara. Dasara is a very much big festival they celebrate. Ugadi festival and Shivratri. Yes. Bam Bam Bhole Shankar. You also know God is there. Yes, with this Shivratri is the important festivals are there. Just you want to see this. Yes, this is a ling. You say this. Shivratri, say a lot of devotees, they come here and they put milk, they offer all puja material to the god, they put fasting on that festival. Okay, this is the Shivratri festival. This is a Ugadi, it is a starting month of a year. When you see this is the first festival, they here which they prepare tamarind, something pulpy will be there. This is one of a festival. And then what are historical monuments are there? Are many beautiful temples also are there in the state. Like historical old temples are there, beautiful temples are there. Like what? Brindavan Gardens in Mysore. In Mysore, Brindavan Garden is very much famous, and Jog Fall. Okay, Jog Fall means like waterfalls. It is a very tourist attraction, like as in all parts of India or all parts of other countries, the people come to visit to see the historical monuments, statues, alike. So Jog Falls are the tourist people attraction. So now come to the point of Andhra Pradesh. So what we can see here, Andhra Pradesh. Here Andhra Pradesh, it is where it is. It is located here northeast of Karnataka is Andhra Pradesh. And when we see Andhra Pradesh, you all strike one word. Yes, Andhra Pradesh, we are having a Hyderabad. Yes, have you visited to Hyderabad in vacations? Yes, mostly you all visit to see Ramoji Film City. What else? Charminar, and what else you see in there? So many beautiful things are there, correct? So let us see here. Now Hyderabad currently serves as the joint capital. Now it is currently, okay, in 2014 it is currently made as a joint capital of Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana. Before it was one only, but Telangana and Andhra Pradesh we having joint capital is Hyderabad. Now what are the important cities are there here? In the Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada are the important cities. Now Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producer of rice, red chilli and tobacco. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh what we having? These are the important cities, correct? Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam. Whereas what they produce is rice mostly. What the cultivation of rice cultivation, correct? Where it is? Here in Andhra Pradesh, rice is mostly, they will abundantly grow rice and red chilli. Red chilli means red powder, and tobacco. In tobacco, BDs, you all know that tobacco, it's a trees, plants they will grow here. Now Hyderabad is an important center for software. Software technology in Hyderabad is one of the software development. Now what are the rivers are there? Krishna river and Godavari flow through this state. Which rivers? Krishna river and Godavari river flow through this state. Now the land is idle for what? Rice. Okay, this land it is very much known for rice only. This region is known as rice ball of India. When we say rice ball of India, yes, what is the state? This only, correct? Andhra Pradesh. Why they call? Because here the land is fertile, most probably they grow rice only here. Can you see greenery part? It is rice bowl of India. It is also known as the rice bowl of India. Come to the point of language. What they speak? Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. Okay, Karnataka language, Karnataka people they speak Kannada. Maharashtrian people speak Marathi. As well, Andhra Pradesh people speak Telugu. Dress. When we come to the point of dress, the men traditionally wear dhoti and shirt. Here also, dhoti and shirt is a common traditional dress. And what does women wear? Women wear saris. So this is exam dhoti and a shirt. And women wear saris. Very good. Now come to the point of festival. What they celebrate festival here? Ugadi festival, Dasara, Eid and Christmas are the important festivals. Okay. Ugadi, Dasara, Eid and Christmas are the important festivals they celebrate. Now come to the point of Ugadi. Yours Ugadi. This is a Dasara. And dance. What is famous dance that is here? Kuchipudi. Okay, Kuchipudi is a famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Now, temple. When we say here Andhra Pradesh, which is a festival, which is the most place you all want to go? Yes, can you all tell me? Southern part. Yes, that is Tirupati, Balaji, Venkateshwara temple. The Venkateshwara temple in Tirupati is very much famous, is visited by lakhs of devotees. A lakh of people, they want to see this place. Always they go all. Every year. It is very much famous. Now this is a Kuchipudi dance. It is famous here. And this is the Balaji temple. Okay. Lord Venkateshwara. He is here. Tirupati. Now come to the point of Telangana. Now what is Telangana? It is formed in how? Just I said you all, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana joint capital is Hyderabad. So when it is formed? Telangana it is formed in June 2014. Its capital is Hyderabad. Both Andhra Pradesh capital is also Hyderabad. Telangana capital is also Hyderabad. Now what are the important cities are there? Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad and Khammam. These are the important cities are there. Two major rivers. What are the rivers? Here also the same rivers are there. Godavari river and Krishna river flow through Telangana. Now what is agriculture? Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Now what they do? Agriculture means rice is common everywhere. Rice they do, cotton, sugarcane and mangoes are the main crops grown here. Cotton, rice. This is the rice. After this they will do, then we will get white color rice. This is going on that. It is wrapped one. And this is the sugarcane. Can you see this? Sugarcane. After this cutting down we will get the nice one. Okay. There are rich reserve of coal at Singarani. Okay. Where they having a not only the cultivation agriculture, they having coal at Singarani. Several manufacturing centers also there, like service industries are located in and around Hyderabad. What they having? Hyderabad they have, it is very famous for Bidri ware. Okay, is well known handicraft with hand. They made, it is made with copper, silver in clay. See, this is a Bidri artwork. Can you see this silver? It is very much, it is made by handwork only. It is very much famous here. See, the people they are doing. This is a coal mine, Singarani coal mine in Telangana. This is under the earth, down they are doing the work over here. It is made from mixture. The Bidri work, what I say you all, how it is made is a mixture. It is mix of zinc and copper with inclay work in silver. They do with a mixture of silk, mixture of zinc and copper with silver. Okay, and what the languages speak here? Telangana, Telugu is common, and Urdu means like a type of Hindi only. Okay, Telugu and Urdu are the main languages spoken in Telangana. Now what is dance here? Gusadi. Okay, it's a traditional dance or a folk dance is there. So this is a first dance, Gusadi dance. Now festival, what type of festival they celebrate here? Batukamma, Bonalu and Eid are the main festivals of the state. Batukamma, what do you say? This is the Batukamma. It is a type of festival where a variety of flowers they decorate in a different way and they celebrate. Okay, this is a Batukamma festival and this is a Bonal. And now come to the point of next is Tamil Nadu. Now what is Tamil Nadu? To the south of Andhra Pradesh, the state is Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. And heavy engineering, textiles and handlooms are some well developed in industries in the state. What we are having here in Tamil Nadu, it is heavy engineering, textiles and handloom things are very much well developed industries are there. Now Chennai is an important software development. Yes, in Tamil Nadu it is an important software development. And silk sarees, when we say Tamil Nadu, what is famous? Kanchipuram. Yes, you all mamas wear the Kanchipuram saree is very much famous. The rivers, what are the rivers are there? Kaveri, Vaigi and Palar flow through the state. What the language they speak here? Tamil language. Telangana people they speak Urdu and Telugu. Okay, now language they speak here Tamil language. Tamil Nadu, Tamil language. Now this is an image of a Kanchipuram sarees. Dress. We come to the point of dress. The traditional clothes of men are. Now men's what they wear? Dhoti or lungi we can call it as, and shirt. And a common mostly women mostly what they wear? Sarees. The traditional dress for small girl in Tamil Nadu, small girls they having a different type of is there, that is paudai and a blouse, and older girls they will wear a half sarees. Okay, now I want to show this. This is a lungi and a shirt and a common sarees they will be wearing here, women's, and a small girls they will wear a paudai and blouse. So this is an image of a small girls they wear it, and this is a half saree older girls they will wear. Okay, now festival. The main festival is Pongal. Okay, main festival they celebrate here Pongal. And what is the dance? Tamil Nadu, no need of telling only. Dance means Bharatanatyam. Correct, Bharatanatyam is the most popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. You all know it. So this is a Pongal. Now this is a Bharatanatyam. And a temple. When we say Tamil Nadu, we are having a famous for most of the temples. Okay, Madurai temple. In Madurai, what we having here? Yes, Meenakshi temple. Correct. Madurai and Tanjavur we having a temples. Famous temple towns are there. So this is in Tanjavur what we having a temple, that is Biradeshwara temple. Tamil Nadu it is famous for their temples. Now this is a Meenakshi temple at Madurai. Now come to the point of Madhya Pradesh. Now the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Okay. Now what it is famous here now? Come to the point of industries. Textile industry. It is well developed, and what large areas in this state is covered with forest. Yes, Madhya Pradesh it is fully covered with the forest. It has several wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, we having several wild parks are there. Like what are the parks are there? Kanha and Bandhavgarh. Okay, it is the land of tigers. When you say this tigers, where it is live? It is Kanha Park or a Bandhavgarh. It is a land of tigers. Okay, n number of tigers are there. Many rivers have their origin from this state. Is Madhya Pradesh, most of the rivers flow from it, start such as Tapi river, Chambal and Narmada. These are the rivers start from Madhya Pradesh. So can you see this? Yes, tiger, correct. This is a tiger. It is a land of tigers in Kanha and Bandhagar. See, tiger. Now come to the Madhya Pradesh is over, Tamil Nadu is over, Maharashtra is over, Karnataka is also over, Telangana we have finished, and like Telangana also we have finished. Now Tamil Nadu also finished. Now come to the point of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now Chhattisgarh is capital is Raipur. Okay. Now its state, this state is rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, aluminium ore and diamonds. This state is rich in minerals. Now which is there? Bhilai. When I say this Bhilai, what it is? Steel plant. Very good. Bhilai is one of the India's biggest steel plants. Okay, and one more. This is an example of Bhilai, and one more is there at Bokaro. Okay. Now we have finished about this, and then just we want to go for it recapitulation. Okay, now we have conducted the sessions like 3 episodes I have completed. Now till now how much you have understood? Okay, as in the same session I have asked some questions. Now here also I am going to ask you some questions. You are going to give me the answers. Okay, now are you all ready for the questions? You all know na? Teacher is going to ask after the session how much you have studied or not, correct? Yes. Now same questions, easy questions I am going to ask you all. Just you are going to give me the answers. Now tell me, Maharashtra capital is what? Come on, once again I am going to ask you the capitals. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Very good. So in the previous session I have said you all read the capitals. It is very much important. Okay. Now what else? Now where is Malwa Plateau? I said you before also, Malwa Plateau is between 2 are there. Okay. What is the Aravalli Range and yes, one more. Our Malwa Plateau is there in between. Correct. In between Malwa Plateau is there. And in which it is there? I want to know that. Come on. Waiting for your answers. Are you all ready? Correct. That is Aravalli Range and one more. Okay. Just we'll do a revision. I will show you answer there only. Yes. Can you see and tell me? Yes. Yes, Aravalli and our Malwa Plateau is between 2 I said. What are they? I want to show you here 2. If in a picture is there, you can just clarify it correctly. This is Aravalli Range and Vindhya Hills. In between what we having here? Malwa Plateau. Okay. Now what is the Narmada River or Narmada Valley? It divides our southern plateau into 2. What are they? That is 2 I said. That is Central Highlands and one more is Deccan Plateau. Correct. Now I want to ask you all, what is the traditional dress? What is the traditional dress of Tamil Nadu for small girls? Yes? Okay? Answer is yes, correct. That is Paudai and blouse. Okay? And now tell me, slightly older girls, they will wear it. What they wear in Tamil Nadu? Yes, that is half saris they will wear it. Correct. Very good. And then common women wear saris. Very good. Now, what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Can you all tell me? Yes, correct. That is Bhopal. Very good. Now, can you all tell me Tamil Nadu capital is? Correct. That is Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Very good. So you are all doing very nicely. So through these questions I understand that you are all doing very nicely. Try to complete the exercise with pencil in textbook only, like MCQs, fill in the blanks, and match the pair. You all do it in textbook itself only. Okay, read the lesson twice, thrice, and most important is read the capitals. Thank you. In the next session we will come for a next lesson.